Howdy folks, welcome to Tire Roaster's Garage. Today, a little less about tire roasting and a little more about the garage. Also, welcome to Southern Alberta, where we get dumps of snow in the middle of October. More importantly, welcome to our new home. Bought this place about 3 months ago. Finally got out of the city. Been picking away at it and doing renovations ever since. And yeah, couldn't be happier to be out of the city and not have to deal with any more bullshit. Don't gotta deal with no more Karens. No more Karens, no more bylaw officers. As loud as we want to be, do whatever the fuck we want. We've been slowly picking away at the place. When we moved in, it looked like this, and now it looks like this. Let's take you on a little tour of the garage here, show you what we're doing, what our plans are for the winter, and yeah, check it out. She's a bit of a goddamn mess, if you can't tell. Not fun, but we're getting close. We had a wall here, we took it down. We sheeted it in. We put new lighting in. We still got to insulate the attic, sheet the rest of it in. We've ripped this wall apart because we had to run 60 amp service out to the garage because I was only on some bullshit old 30 amp service with some shitty dryer wire. And now we've put in this nice new fucking main panel with 24 slots. We have 220 for a heater here and 220 for the welder here. As you can see, this is my welder plug. Just finished wiring that bad boy up today. And then we're gonna run the heater plug up and through the rafters and over yonder, about down center here, right where my toolbox is gonna go. And I'm gonna run that 10,000 watt heater to heat the shop for this winter. It puts out 35,000 BTUs. It's far cry from the 75,000 BTUs the old Herman Nelson puts out. But I think it's gonna be more efficient heating. It's gonna be a little more consistent anyways. I don't know. We built an addition here, 12 by 8. I reframed the door a bit here. Well, this is actually just a wall. I built a door here, and then I had to frame it higher to get this fucking Coke fridge in, because I thought it'd be a great idea to have a big Coke beer fridge, and I realize now what a fucking stupid idea that was. So, if anybody's looking, I got a Coke fridge for sale. Hey, we built this little addition, store some tires and wheels and boxes and all that kind of stuff. Put Whitney's Triumph in here, and my 450 Honda. And yeah, built a workbench, got the tools up, put some new windows in. She's coming along piece by piece. This is what it looked like when we moved in. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, that's right. That's what it looked like. Took a wall down, like I said, built a workbench, hung some tools. So the game plan is for finishing this wall, I would like to take this bench here with all the little storage cabinets underneath it. I would like to, well, first of all, put my toolbox here, run that bench beside it here, put my sandblaster and my, what do you call it, the vacuum that I run on the sandblaster underneath in the cabinet. And then I want to run a compressor over there, a big boy. I want to run that fucking compressor line up the ceiling and over down here. I want to have the sandblaster hooked up to all the time air. It'll be good times. I'm going to put my welder right there. And yeah, hopefully we can get to work on the cars after all that's said and done. I would like to, this one's got blown head gaskets. I don't know if many of you guys have even seen this car yet. I guess she's kind of new to the channel here because I've just been posting Trans Am stuff, but this is my 82 Ford Mustang. The bird of shit box, the bird of beater, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Let's come up with a name for it. What should we call this thing? Grandma's fucking, look, I want my own goddamn hood. Grandma's hot rod, Grandma's boy howdy. Yeah, shitty car, right? No, just kidding. 393 stroker making 600 flywheel. And then we got her plumbed in so we can run nitrous on her. I'll show you the bottle in the back. I want to make this more about the garage, but we got to show you guys the 82. I know I haven't had it on the channel yet, so she's got a bright future on the channel. Nitrous in the back. Battery relocation. She's a nice car. We'll tie into this one later. I'm not getting into it right now. But that's the plan. We've got the 700 Raptor in the goddamn garage. She won't start. Hopefully, yeah, right on. Hopefully we can get that going too. Because there's a lot of snow up there and I wouldn't mind going and cutting some shit hooks. Now I'm going to show you guys a little something else out here too. This is the new toy. Bought it with the house. A 1973 Kubota L225. Use it for tilling the garden and clearing snow. Unfortunately, right now, it has no reverse gear because I blew it out spreading gravel and we brought a bunch of gravel in this summer. So, you know, you got to get the garage done so I can get her in there. Yeah, fuck you. Get her in there and replace that reverse gear. I actually have the reverse gear, believe it or not. I ordered it out of the States. Tractor Parts ASAP if you ever need parts for your shitty old tractor. But yeah, a little diesel Kubota 3-cylinder in her. Runs pretty good. Fucking does what she needs to do. Except for fucking driving reverse. As you can see, we're still working on this side. She's a work in progress. Say hi to Slowbird. Oh yeah, we inherited these two. We inherited these two with the property. It was part of the deal. We get the house for our asking price and the guy can leave whatever he wants. Well, he left a motorhome that's actually in pretty good shape. And he left this old Ford fucking Econoline van, which I've been pulling some parts off and using for my old camper van. Kind of interesting how that worked out. He left a fucking box camper that's just destroyed. I've driven the tractor into it and shot it with the guns and shit, blown some holes in it. It's kind of fun. I call it the Raking Shack. Seen a couple raccoons in here. No windows, great place to fucking party. My cat Barb likes to hang out in here. He also likes to hang out in the motorhome. That's right. You heard that right. I have a male cat named Barb. You'll meet him on one of these videos, I guess. Maybe. Yeah, he's on around. It's my 65 Impala and my 87 Camaro getting the snow treatment. Whitney's Beetle. As you can tell, we still need to find a storage solution for those. Because they're just sitting out in the fucking snow and I'd rather they don't. I'll probably maybe get some car tents. I don't want those shitty cheap car tents. So I want the good ones that actually, you can actually put shit in that it fucking doesn't cave in on them. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful evening on the Hofer Ranch. Got a lot of projects on the way here. We're going to keep uploading to the YouTube channel. And hopefully you guys stick around and check out some of my stuff. Hit that like button, subscribe, and leave some feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. Fuck yeah, beautiful out here. Really happy with this place. Excited for the future. Gonna get that Arctic Cat going too, because that doesn't run. Nothing runs around here. Nothing runs. Oh, and by the way, there's a special announcement coming in a week or two about a new project I'm taking on. That's right, another project. We ain't done the other ones. We're taking on another one. It's a really special project. It's one I've wanted to do for a long time. So yeah, I'll announce in a couple of weeks when I actually pick said project up. Okay, bye.